The Dow Jones looks set to see a higher open this Wednesday morning in anticipation of a coronavirus stimulus deal by Congress because the White House and the Senate reached an agreement overnight. Now, the action in futures on the upside followed an epic comeback by Wall Street yesterday as the Dow Jones soared more than 2,100 points, or over 11%, posting its biggest one-day percentage gain since 1933 and its best point increase ever. Now, White House and Senate leaders agreed to a massive $2 trillion coronavirus stimulus bill in the middle of the night, and Republican Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said around 1:35 in the morning from the floor of the Senate, "At last we have a deal, and in effect, this is a wartime level of investment into our nation." This while Democratic Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer, he went on to say that this is not a moment of celebration, but one of necessity. Meanwhile, in the Forex market, we first take a look at the Euro-US dollar pair that sees the upside prevail. The British pound-US dollar pair that sees further upside, while the dollar-yen supported by a rising trend line, and that's in focus. The pair supported by a rising trend line and by its rising moving averages. Long positions above 110.75 are favored with targets at 110.70 and 112 in extension. Meanwhile, the Bitcoin dollar sees its next up target at 72.39 with a pivot point at 64.81, while gold sees a break of a short-term rising trendline support. Focus is on gold as it has broken below a rising trend line and remains under pressure. Short positions below 16.21 are favored with targets at 15.86 and 15.66 in extension. This while silver that continues to see a bullish bias above 14.04 a troy ounce.